now that we got that out of the way, as you guys can obviously read it from the title, it's the Dockers red burgundy dress shirt for men, obviously. Let me get this top button unbuttoned. Alright, Dockers, size large, made in Vietnam. Alright, and it has a hanger right there. Alright, see that? And Vietnam. There we go. If the pixels want to catch that, which they just did. So, yeah. And I believe the tag reads 100% cotton. Yes, it does. Alright. Now let me try it on to give you guys a better glimpse of what it looks like when it's being worn. Alright. Bear with me here, guys. Voila. And no, this one does not have the under flap buttons to close the flaps, which I'm not much of a fan of, because I don't really care too much if the flaps are tight or not, you know. And it has a pocket right here. All right. So here it is. Let me know what you guys think about that. I would highly appreciate it, and you guys know exactly what to do, and I'll get to you guys soon. All right, take care.